In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create modern Instagram reel animations in Canva. Open Canva and start with an Instagram reel video template so your canvas is already the right vertical size. Set the background color to match your brand or the mood of your reel. A clean, high-contrast backdrop will help your shapes, videos, and text stand out. Next, head to Elements and search for the square shape. Add a square to your canvas and change its color to complement your background. Use the crop and resize handles to turn that square into a very thin rectangle, essentially creating a sleek line. Rotate it so it sits diagonally and position it where you want your modern accent to begin. This diagonal line will become the visual thread that ties your animation together. Duplicate the page to build the next scene. On the second page, select the same shape and enlarge it until it fills the entire canvas, keeping the diagonal orientation. Duplicate the second page again. On the new third page, shrink the shape back down into a diagonal rectangle centered on the canvas. This sequence sets up a dynamic in and out movement once we add transitions. Now it's time to bring in footage. Go back to Elements and search for the type of video you want, or upload your own. Click See All to browse options. Insert a video onto the third page, resize it to fit the composition, and center it neatly. Add a second video as well, adjust its size, and position it toward the center bottom for layered interest. Use snapping guides to keep everything aligned and visually balanced. Open the Layers panel and bring the diagonal shape to the front so it sits above your videos. This creates a stylish overlay and helps frame your content. Add text to complete the design. Type your title or phrase, then change the font to something bold and readable. Resize it for hierarchy, give it a slight tilt to echo the diagonal theme, and position it for strong contrast against the background and videos. If needed, tweak effects or letter spacing for clarity and impact. Before exporting, adjust the duration of each page so the motion feels snappy but readable. Add transitions between all pages and choose Match and Move to create seamless motion that follows your elements across scenes. Finally, click Preview to watch the full sequence and make any timing or layout refinements. That's your modern Instagram reel animation in Canva.